but it's so easy to be alone. I want you here, I need you to know we don't know the way that we planned it, but who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? It's not to all of the fears that they share. It all becomes clear that the world uncertainty I'd rather leave.
Hindi ko mayabang, nilagay ko na lang. Dapat na. May yogurt.
Apat na yogurt. Repeat ko lang po yung order nila. Tatlong beef special double brown. Apat na yogurt.
Hi everyone.
Andito kami ngayon sa, di ko alam kung naririnig nyo, pero andito kami ngayon sa San Patricio.
West Out.
Andito kami sa West Out kasi magdi-dinner kami ngayon. Magdi-dinner kami kasi sobrang tagal na kumakain dito nila Jewel and nila Jed. Ayan, sila yung nagturo kung saan to. Tapos parang gusto namin i-try namin. So, tagal na namin nag-aaya dito. Tapos ngayon lang na to. Jewel! Yun na, card mo na. Card mo na, Jewel. Hot sauce na to.
Tahimik lang yan. Tahimik lang.
Ano ba ito? Tapos na kami kumain. Pauwi na kami. Ayun, bilang. Kasi may exam kami bukas sa Binay. So yun, tapos na kami kumain and uwi na kami.
Sponsor ni Jewel.
Thank you, Jewel! Thank you, Jewel, for the dinner. Ang bait naman. Diba? Say thank you.
Then, aalis na kami dito. Ayaw na kami pag-bilaut eh. Alis na kami. Ayaw may pansinin. Napapasin nyo kayo kung kayo yung nililad eh.
Takot ako. Tulog na. Yay! Thank you, Jewel! Maninira pa. Mag-aaral ka pa pag-uwi? Mag-aaral ka pa pag-uwi? Mag-aaral pa kayo pag-uwi?
Opo.
Mag-aaral.
Opo. 6 p.m. ka na po kasi. Sa bahay. Opo. I'm so excited. Oh, wala kasing payong.
Yung payong ko, pinahiram ko kay Raf. Kasi yung payong niya, pinahiram niya din sa iba. Anong oras na?
2.
Bakit yung isa 2 AM at yung isa 7? Magkaiba ba yung time zone natin? Magkaiba yung mga time zone namin. Kaya hulaan nyo na lang kung sino nagsasabi ng totoo.
Kasi yung driver.
Ayun.
Driver pa lang ginagawa. Ito yung sampler na main dish nila. Burrito and soft taco. Sisig taco and chicken. Tapos for the burrito, kare-kare and beef. Ubus na namin yung tacos. Struggles. Pero masarap pansit. Tapos ngayon, tatry namin yung burrito. Piling ko siya ganun. Ano laki? Mas madali lang. Alam mo, nag-aalaman ka ba? Try natin pag meron. Hindi siya malansa. Try mo na ito. Gusto ko rin sa beef burrito. Tapos mamaya mag-exchange kami. Tapos ito yung alamang nila. Alam mo ba ito? O ba ito? Hindi ko yung flavor. Lagyan mo na ito. Sarap. Alam mo ba ito? O ba ito?
Thank you again. Just very quick, just wanted to introduce to you the other business partners here. So this is Don and Cheesy. They were the ones in charge of your food and of course Justin. So the four of us manage the whole place. Thank you. Beef houseman and our horchata. So horchata is soap rice milk. It's mixed with almond milk and cinnamon. This is
Dessert time. Ito yung sampler ng tres leches cake nila. And then merong spice brownie, classic brownie, and then black sour. Ito yung horchata. Tapos ice cream. Sarap na to. Ang sarap. Parang nagmamahal sa mouth yung parang sponge cake. And hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Anything you guys really like?
Kare-kare. Yung, yeah, yung kare-kare and yung chili. Both of us actually love spicy. So, perfect siya. And we like the yung beef kasi. Sometimes the issue is parang it's fatty, parang pero ayun, we love it here kasi puro meat talaga siya. And also, it's very tender. So, the ice cream kasi it's not too sweet. Is it peach infused or lychee? Lychee?
Actually, none of the ones you mentioned. Yeah. none of the ones you mentioned. It's different. It's interseasoned fruits actually. That's so yun. But I'm glad you guys picked that up. Meaning na they were able to really balance out the acidity and the sweetness that we wanted for the house.
Kala namin it's lychee.
No, it's not. None of it you mentioned, but it's citrus fruits that we use. I'll let you guys try more your drinks.
Wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy instead. You take up all the energy I have inside, and I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep, but lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star that galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. way too much, cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true.
Oh boy, just wake up and I'll make it true.
But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make it change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. I'm dreaming, oh I'm dreaming about you. I'm dreaming of being around you. I'm dreaming, are you dreaming about me too? I'm dreaming, oh I'm dreaming about you. I'm dreaming, I hate being without you. I'm dreaming, are you dreaming about me too?
So, I got my lunch sa baba. Nagpa-deliver na lang ako kasi kailangan mag-aral. Kakram ako ngayon for our quiz later. And quiz exam siya actually. Parang siyang long exam. Mag-1 PM na and our exam is 2 PM. So, proctored siya. Dapat kasi face-to-face week kami ngayon. Pero diba, nagkaroon ng typhoon. I got this.
On the same shit for a month, don't feel the same when it's done. Yeah. I know you know we have fun, feel it till I had enough.
Nagpa-food panda na rin ako. Dapat kakain kami after mag-gym. Pero kasi, ayun nga, 2 PM yung exam. And medyo late kami natapos. Though, ayun naman usually yung tagal ng workout. But, sabi ko kasi mag-aral pa ako. Like, cram aral. Tapos, before the exam. So, para habang kumakain ako, nakapag-aral ako. Nag-order na lang ako through delivery.
The worst case, infatuated on the first date. Mer's just the first day, but feelings come and go like birthdays, she throws shade. Cause I took her out for a minute, 2 weeks feeling like I'm...
So, ito yung setup ko lang kapag nag-exam, like Zoom exam or online exam. Pinapatanggal usually ng mga profs lahat ng laman ng desk. Like, minsan pinapatanggal pa tong mga drawers, ganyan. Para sure na wala talagang, oh my gosh, sobrang kalat pala. Pero yan, para sure na wala talagang notes or anything. So, laptop. Pero ayan, may calculator, scratch paper, and pen right now. Kasi may computations later and allowed naman siya. And, of course, yung iPad and like other form of reviewers or notes, papatanggal din yan lahat. Like, super clean dapat. Tapos wala dito. And sobrang basag-basag yung phone ko. So, huwag nyo na lang pansinin. But, ayan, dapat naka-ready rin yung chargers ng phone. And ito yung phone na ginagamit. Like, second device namin. Para yung POV ng proctor is like, nakaganito. Ayan. Para kita ka na nag-exam. Nakapapalit ako ng type A uniform. And if you're wondering, saan ko nalagay yung mga gamit dito? Ano lang siya sa kama ko. Okay lang kasi malinis naman sila. And yeah, pasok na ako ng Zoom. So, I'll see you later after exam. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Feel like I'm losing my cool, tell me what I'm supposed to do. Hyperfixation on you. On the same shit for a month, don't feel the same when it's done. Yeah. I know you know we have fun, feel it till I had enough. Everything happens at once, and I'm not the same as I was. Feel like I'm losing my cool, tell me what I'm supposed to do. Hyperfixation on you.
Wala pa ako nagagawa today. Medyo late nag-start yung araw ko kasi late ako nagising. And ayun, kumain na kami kanina. Siso sa clip. And right now, kakaligo ko lang. Tapos, as what I told you, shifting street namin, puro aral lang kami. Supposedly. Pero di pa ako nag-aaral. Pero yun, mag-aaral kami mamaya. Study out ulit kami. Kasama ko ulit sila Jewel and yung ibang friends. I'll show you my essentials kapag mag-aaral ako sa labas. Actually, hindi ko pa talaga alam saan kami mag-study. Pero yan, nag-hoodie na lang ako kasi comfy. Kasi for sure, abutan kami ng madaling araw. Actually, ito palagi yung mga dinadala ko pag mag-aaral ako sa labas and pag pumapasok sa school. Hindi ko lang namang special. Pero gamitin ko tong bag. Pinakita ko to sa inyo nung last vlog, yung nag-what's in my school bag ako. Konti lang naman yung dadalhin ko. Like, mag-aaral lang naman ako. So, I'm going to bring my iPad, of course. Kasi nandito lahat ng reviewers na aralin. My charger. And yung pen ng iPad. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. Of course, kailangan natin magdala ng alcohol. And then this, ito yung nadalawang makeup. Pang retouch lang siya. Kasi wala namang masyado gagawin. Mag-aaral lang naman. Pero syempre, gusto mo maganda ka pa rin kapag nag-aaral. And nakamask naman. And then, this one is a pocket perfume. And then also, of course, this mini notebook para di ko ma-miss out yung mga kailangan kong gawin, yung kailangan kong mga aralin, susi. And then this one, this is a collapsible tumbler from Terzi. And actually, super convenient nito kasi yan, collapsible siya. So, for example, tapos mo na siya gamitin, very space-saving. Ilalagay mo na lang siya sa bag mo. Tapos, ayun. Diba? Pero, tapos may handle din siya. So, for example, may laman pa siya ganyan mabigat or di siya kasya sa bag. Ayan, madadala mo siya like by hand. And then, if you're done using it, you can just fold it or like collapse it. Tapos, yun, singit mo na lang sa dala mong bag. So, it's very convenient. And, what I like about it is, hindi siya nag-stink. Like, for example, maglalagay ka ng juice or like ng coffee or kahit anong kind of drinks na gusto mo ilagay. 100% food grade yung silicone ng material na to. So, ayun. It's very convenient and affordable din. Available siya both sa Shopee and Lazada. So, you can just buy it from them. Lalagay ko na rin yung link sa description box para makita nyo kung saan ko siya nakuha. And ayun, lalagyan ko siya ng coffee now. Bango. O, diba? O, di siya masyadong napuno. So, like, pwede mo siyang i-collapse a bit. But make sure to be careful. Kasi baka matapon. See? Ang cute. Sobrang cute niya. And I like the color. Super secure yan ng takip niya. So, hindi ka mag-worry na baka matapon or what. Perfect. Nakaayos ako ng gamit and I'm all packed and ready to leave. But before that, of course, for sure, this is going to be a long day kasi kailangan mag-prepare for exams. And ayun, patayin na naman the whole week. So, kailangan prepare ang sarili ko. And ayun, I usually drink a vitamin every day, of course. Kasi yung diet ko is yung kinakain, especially away from home, hindi kami nakakapagluto. So, very lacking siya sa vitamins, minerals, like vegetables, ganyan, fruits. And ayun, yung mga home-cooked meals na miss namin. Of course, maganda if advised siya ng physician, ganyan, para alam mo kung ano yung nilalagay mo sa body mo. Pero ayun nga, since yung kinakain ko mostly is super lacking, like for example, nag-order lang sa fast food. So I think sobrang dami kong nami-miss out na nutrition. I'm going to drink this before I go. Cheesy Bloom Jelly mixed berry flavor. Nagulat ako kasi akala ko hindi siya masarap kasi tomato, diba? Pero this one, para siyang candy. What I love about it is, aside from masarap siya, of course, marami siyang vitamin E, so full of antioxidants siya. Also, you have tomato extract, pine bark extract, and vitamin C. So, ayun, puro antioxidants ng laman niya. So, especially right now, so sobrang stressful. Kahit naman hindi exam, stressful pa rin sa med school. So, kailangan mo talaga alagayin yung sarili mo. And like, for me, sobrang important ng antioxidants, ganyan. Kasi palagi kang walang tulog. Sobrang curious ako about sa mga oral na sun protection. Kasi diba, typically yung sunblock, which is very important for our skin. Like, sunblock is, ina-apply siya topically, sa cream, ina-apply siya sa skin, ganyan. But this one, nagulat ako kasi meron siyang UV protection. Ang galing. Parang nag-heal siya from within. It really targets healing your body from the inside and hindi lang yung outside. So, meron pa akong ibang iniinom na vitamins but nainom ko na siya kanina. So, if you wanna see maybe sa other vlogs, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga vitamins na iniinom ko pa and other supplements. Kasi ayun nga, sobra ako nag-rely right now sa mga na vitamins and minerals. Alam niyo yung lasa ng mga jelly Ace? Para siyang ganun. That's it for now. And I'll see you later kapag nasa labas na ako.
Bye!